apa agama manusia rentang masa Nabi Isa sampai Nabi Muhammad. Ajaran Nabi Isa itu rusak tahun 325. Nabi Muhammad datang 571. Dari 325 ke 571 maka ajaran Kristen rusak, agama Nabi Musa rusak, agama Nabi Musa rusak. Lalu apa agama orang saat itu? Di Makkah itu ada agama Ibrahim, tapi sudah terkontaminasi yang disebut dengan agama Hanafiyah Samhah. Masih ada, tapi sudah mulai rusak. Kristen ada. Siapa itu yang Kristen? Waraqah bin Naufal, saudara Khadijah, yang berkonsultasi Khadijah dengan dia ketika Nabi turun kedinginan. Itu Kristen, tapi Kristennya pun sudah rusak karena terkontaminasi Trinitas. Kristen ada. Siapa itu yang Kristen? Waraqah bin Naufal, saudara Khadijah, yang berkonsultasi Khadijah dengan dia ketika Nabi turun kedinginan. Itu Kristen, tapi Kristennya pun sudah rusak karena terkontaminasi Trinitas. Trinitas sudah ada tahun 325 ketika diadakan konsili Nisea oleh Kaisar Konstantin yang mengatakan Tuhan tiga, anak Allah, Allah Bapa, Rohul Kudus. Jadi kalau begitu agama waktu itu apa? Kristen. Kristen rusak, Yahudi rusak, agama Ibrahim agama yang rusak. Datanglah Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam membetulkan yang rusak-rusak ini. Agama Ibrahim dibetulkannya, agama Isa dibetulkannya, agama Musa dibetulkannya. Orang yang membetulkan itu disebut musaddiq, maka dia disebut musaddiqul lima baina yadayhi minat taurati wal injil. Dia membetulkan, meluruskan yang rusak dari Taurat dan Injil.
Tapi yang jadi pertanyaan bagi saya, yaitu ketika Nabi Muhammad SAW menerima wahyu, dikonsultasikan dengan seorang ahli spiritual. Siapa namanya? Waraqah bin Naufal, seorang pendeta. Nabi Muhammad, Nabi kita mengkonsultasikan wahyu itu dengan seorang pendeta. Jadi Khadijah ini siapa sebetulnya? Ini jadi masalah. Ini sebetulnya ada yang disembunyikan. Ada yang disembunyikan.
Siapa itu yang Kristen? Waraqah bin Naufal, saudara Khadijah, yang berkonsultasi Khadijah dengan dia ketika Nabi turun kedinginan. Itu Kristen, tapi Kristennya pun sudah rusak karena terkontaminasi Trinitas.
Maka Waraqah bin Naufal adalah seorang Muslim.
Ya.
Gitu.
Ya.
Siapa itu yang Kristen? Waraqah bin Naufal, saudara Khadijah, yang berkonsultasi Khadijah dengan dia ketika Nabi turun kedinginan. Itu Kristen.
Hai orang Kristen, dengerin pelan-pelan lah. Gua nggak mau ulang-ulang ah. Suka ngaco-ngaco ini orang. Waraqah itu sudah dekat dengan Allah, bahkan menurut Yesus sendiri, karena menurut beliau Waraqah bin Naufal, Imam Nestor, beriman kepada satu Allah. Dan Yesus bilang di dalam Markus 12 ayat 34 bahwa orang-orang yang bilang la ilaha illallah itu dekat dengan kerajaan Allah.
Siapa itu yang Kristen? Waraqah bin Naufal, saudara Khadijah, yang berkonsultasi Khadijah dengan dia ketika Nabi turun kedinginan. Itu Kristen.
What do you know about Islam?
Muhammad,
Sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
like he was interacting with Gabriel in the cave.
There you
I
go.
heard when he came out of the cave, he wasn't sure whether it was Gabriel or whether it was a demon. And then his wife and his cousin told him, oh no, that was Gabriel.
Nice. Yeah, so that's the thing. I mean, if you have never been revealed to a message, you don't know what's going on, right?
Exactly.
So you know, he was concerned. Maybe I'm losing my mind.
That's right, man.
But then the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah put around him those people that will console him, like his wife Khadija. And then when Gabriel started coming more often, he told him, I'm Gabriel, I'm bringing the message to you. And then he would bring news to him of the past about like what happened with Joseph and Moses, things that he wouldn't have known. Because you know, he couldn't read or write, right? Yeah, and then like amazing, miraculous things like linguistic miracles that the Arab poets couldn't respond to. So
That's cool.
That's
So
cool.
He didn't know it was Gabriel the angel didn't tell him it was Gabriel?
He did, sure.
Any later?
No, even at that time, right? But I mean, again, he doesn't know who Gabriel is, right? Because he didn't come from an Abrahamic faith. The people of Mecca were pagans, right? Because he didn't come from an Abrahamic faith. The people of Mecca were pagans, right? They knew about Abraham, they knew about Ishmael, but it wasn't like a majority Christian or Jewish area. Like in Medina, there were more Jews and things. In Mecca, mostly it was idol worship, right? So this idea that Gabriel comes down to prophets and things, they knew about it from Abraham's time, but it wasn't prevalent there. Like they didn't read the Bible or the New Testament or the Old Testament commonly in Mecca. There were a few Christians and Jews, but mostly that was in Medina or outside.